Affiliate marketers. Are you ready to transform your career and reach unprecedented heights? The Ambassador Program is your launchpad. This isn't just a tool, it's an opportunity, a golden ticket to affiliate marketing success. Envision the evergreen webinar funnel converting visitors into buyers, while the high-converting opt-in page and custom-branded report fuel your email list. Picture the commissions pouring in as your subscribers watch the webinar and make their purchase. Feel the power of recruiting your own affiliates, leveraging their successes for your gain. Now, imagine the efficiency of a professional 9-part email sequence, and the knowledge gained from an in-depth video training series. Consider the boost in traffic from the Traffic Trifecta module and guest blog posting opportunities. Visualize the long-term benefits of a 99-day follow-up email sequence, and the compounding effects of second-tier commissions. The Ambassador Program isn't just a step. It's a leap towards your financial freedom. Click the link below to register and begin your journey.